Okay, I'm just gonna work on something important.
Bitch! Oh! You broke the fucking pencil! Come on, Panic, because my son. Oh,
Almost there, and almost and finished. Now we two gonna save the cub. Okay, let's go, motherfuckers. Won't tell me to do this.
Okay, this is our show. What the fuck?
Oh no, mole!
Let me see the mouth. What the fuck? That will help us because my son is on the hole. Okay. I also want to come in this too. So yeah. I'm sorry, what? So, Meligas, you're gonna add Sniffles, right? That's familiar. I do add Sniffles. Well, what about me? I'm swelling into shit. Oh, fuck off. Oh, shit.
I love juggling. Oh my god! I need to get out of here!
Now what's going on here? Oh my god! Oh no, it's broken! Mini go, no!
What's that?
Oh shit, oh my god, no. What the fuck? Oh no, Sniffles. Oh, hey, you're back. Oh, fuck. I need to get it under as fast as I can.
My legs are dead.
Oh my, I don't want my son to die.
Miss you.
Yeah, you lied. I miss you. Oh no! My son is on home again!